Hello and welcome to the topic, what is electronic media? Electronic media, as we can define, it delivers news and information through electronic medium. We have some other ideas. Electronic media is the advanced form of media. We continue our discussion about electronic media. Electronic media can be quickly edited and updated. The next one is electronic media is available 24 hours and 7 days. That is to say, all the time, all the moments. We have some more ideas about electronic media. It can be accessed anywhere, at any time, just with an electronic device like a smartphone or laptop. We have the next point. Electronic media is more viewer friendly. Let's have some more ideas about electronic media. And it is electronic media is eco-friendly. Live show, live discussion, live reporting is possible in electronic media. We have examples of electronic media. Radio is the most popular one, but unfortunately now we don't use it anymore that much. We have television that we always watch, and we can see that this is the radio and this one is television. Best examples of electronic media. We have some more examples of electronic media. We can have mobile, we can also have computer, and we can see the picture of mobile, and we already know what is computer. We have some more examples of electronic media, maybe included like social media, streaming media, digital media, telephone, blogs, video games, and we have a number of electronic media. In fact, these days our life is unimaginable without electronic media. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.